Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Allform is a customizable modular sofa that you build yourself and order online. But how comfortable is it? Let's go ahead and find out now. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep up with the latest product reviews every week. Allform sofas are designed to be easy to use, order, and set up. They are ordered online and shipped within 5 to 10 days. You do have to assemble it yourself, but it has toolless assembly and simple instructions. The products are modular, so you can connect sofa sections to other sections to create the couch configuration you want. In addition, if you want to change the configuration later, you can, provided you have the right pieces and shapes. Possible shapes include straight sofa, chaise lounge, U-shaped sectional, and corner sectional. Using these shapes, you can set it into a wide range of different configurations, allowing you to mix and match for your room. The product we have in this video is the 3-section straight sofa. Now let's take a closer look at the design of the Allform sofa. Each Allform sofa starts with a hardwood frame and a steel suspension grid system. The seat cushion contains a 5-inch layer of high-grade polyfoam with around 1 inch of polyfiber on either side, surrounded by an anti-shifting encasement. The back cushion is made of a blend of loose foam and fiber. The legs screw into the base of the sofa and have a plastic foot cap to prevent scratching. Customers can choose the colors and patterns for the fabrics and leg finishes. There are 7 fabric options, 2 leather options, and 3 different finishes for the legs. There are also additional items available for purchase, including ottomans and pillows, both of which can be customized to match the fabric and finish of your custom sofa. The 3-seat shape is 90 inches long, 38 inches deep, and 34 inches tall. The length was more than long enough for me to completely lie down and not be touching either end. Overall, the Allform sofa has a nice blend of both support and comfort. It is relatively firm, which is understandable given the cushion design. Despite the level of firmness, whether I was sitting or lying, I still felt quite comfortable. The polyfiber top layer adds a nice degree of pressure relief. The seat cushions have great support and a good deal of response and bounce. It's not the type of couch you'll get stuck down in. It also keeps you cooler since you don't sink down into the cushions. Check the link in the description if you want to purchase the Allform. Allform's website makes it both easy to customize and purchase an Allform sofa. You simply choose the sofa style, pick a fabric or leather upholstery, and select the finish for the hardwood legs. Then you can add matching pillows or an ottoman if you want. And that's it. The sofa will ship for free and should be at your door within the next 2 weeks or less. In addition, Allform includes a 100-day trial period for all sofas, so you can return it if you're not satisfied. Overall, assembling the Allform sofa was pretty easy. The Allform system is a toolless assembly, so you can put the whole thing together without any tools other than a knife to open the packages. The instructions were thorough and relatively easy to understand, although a few steps were somewhat confusing. The major pieces are the seat base, back, arms, and cushions. Thanks to the modular design, the sections are essentially constructed separately, then connected to each other at the end. We had one issue getting the pin connectors to properly install between the arms and back of the bench. This caused the base plate to be misaligned, so we had to readjust to make it fit. After everything was assembled, the legs were still uneven, so we needed to reset the connector pin, after which everything fit together properly. Full assembly took about 35 minutes with 2 people. The sofa is not extraordinarily heavy, but it helped to have a second person to hold the pieces in place. For more info on the unboxing and assembly, check out our video link in the description. So, should you buy the Allform sofa? The biggest highlight of the Allform sofa is the modular, customizable design. This means you can combine sections in a way that best suits the room, and you can even reconfigure later if you want a different shape. In addition, the 100-day trial period is a big plus. Ordering any major piece of furniture online can be a bit unnerving, but having the option to return for 100 days provides a peace of mind. Lastly, the couch does seem well built and is comfortable whether sitting or lying. It has a clean, modern look. We've only had our Allform for around a month, but thus far we've been really happy, both with its aesthetic presence and functionality. The only major downside is the need to assemble it yourself. As easy as it is to assemble, it does still require you to do the work yourself. If you're looking for a simple sofa that can be customized to fit the look and shape of your home, you should definitely check out the Allform. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Allform, we've got a link in the description. If you want to see more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, hit that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Overall, the Allform sofa has a nice blend of both support and comfort. This is support. This is comfort. So, should you buy... No, can't do it. Should you buy...